I want you to have a great morning routine. A routine that you get excited about waking up every single morning and excited about taking on the day. And you do that with these 7 tips that I implement on a daily basis that I promise you. It'll get you feeling good, especially with number 1, get up earlier. And look, I'm not telling you to get up in the crack of dawn, right? I get up 4, maybe 5 on some days, but most of the time I'm up 4:30 in the morning just so I can get to the gym early as possible. This is something that I did over time, right? It's not like I woke up one day from waking up at 10 in the morning and then I'm like, oh shoot, I'm gonna start waking up at 4. That's ludicrous. That would never happen. I gradually, as my workload increased, as my family responsibilities increased, as my time decreased, I needed to find new outlets to increase time. And slowly by shortly, I would go from 9 in the morning, now I would wake up at 8. Then I started waking up at 7. Then I started waking up at 6. And the more I grew up, the more my responsibilities packed on, the more I wanted to do, the more I realized I needed to get up earlier and earlier and earlier so I could get more accomplished during the day. I want you to take the same approach. I'm not telling you to get up at 4 in the morning because I promise you you're going to quit in a week. I'm telling you to get up slightly earlier. So let's say your job starts at 8:30, you usually wake up at 7. I want you to wake up at 6. Get that workout in the morning. You're at work by 8. I promise you you're going to feel like the man knowing you did something positive before everyone else even started their workday. 2, take a 6-minute shower. Stop wasting time in the shower. What do you most of the time do? You wake up at 8. You got class or work at 8:30, so you wake up at 7:30, all groggy, drag yourself to the shower, turn on the hot water, and just stand there for like 30 minutes. That's just to make you feel good. You're wasting water, you're damaging your skin, and you're wasting time. You, as a man, can have a complete grooming routine in a 6-minute shower. You can shower, you can be hygienic, you can come out smelling good, you can do your shaving, you can do your skincare, you can do everything you need to do as a man within 6 minutes in the shower. And I've proven that to you. I actually have an entire video. You can watch it up there. I think it's called the 5-minute shower routine. Watch it, come back here. That's what you should put into practice. And once you start doing that, not only are you gonna feel amazing because your grooming's gonna be on point every single day, but also you're gonna have more time back. Now here's the thing. If you want the tools you need to get this done, you already know, my brand, Heat Grooming, has you covered. When I design Heat Grooming, I design it for efficiency. Let me explain. We have our shower bundle. That's the body wash, the shampoo, conditioner. Then I have my shower organizer. Why? Because I want to have all my tools in sight. If I need to clip my nails, if I need to scrub my face, I want to have everything I need, the shaving, the toothbrush, everything I need right where I need it, and I want it to look good. So we came up with the organizer, right? You can put your toothbrush, your razor, your nail clipper, your scrubbers, everything you need inside. Then I have my facial scrubbers. I have my face scrubber and my silicone body scrubber. Notice that both of these have little bristles that do a more efficient job than just your hands. So now both my body and my face get exfoliated on a daily basis. I also have my face wash and everything else that I need. The point is, you gotta be efficient. You have to have the tools that you need to be efficient, and I'm gonna hook it up. Right now, if you guys click the link down below, I'm gonna give you the complete shower kit. You're gonna get the shower bundle, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, best products you'll ever use. You're gonna get the shower organizer, so you have all the tools you need. You're going to also get our nail clipper set, so you can have that as well. And on top of that, I'm gonna also add the face scrubber and our new body scrubber into the mix. And if you click the link down below right now, I'm gonna give you 50% off so you can get the entire kit and start getting in those 5-minute showers that are gonna make you feel like the man. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. This takes me to number 3. Make the bed as soon as you get out of it. I'm not telling you to do it after the shower. I mean, as soon as you get out of it, that you're half asleep, you barely wanna get out because it's nice and warm, especially now that it's cold. I want you to start making that bed. That little habit, that small win against your own brain. You should see the morning as you versus you. Like literally, it is your heart versus your mind. Your mind that's telling you, yo, stay in bed, yo, you're tired, relax, sleep a few more minutes. Your heart's telling you, stop being a pussy. That's gonna be your internal battle every single morning. And that little win that you do against the mind is powerful. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel like the man, bro. 4, drink a glass of water. As soon as you step on the shower, get a tall glass of water, make it a little lukewarm to cold, and just chug that thing down. That's gonna revitalize your body. You're gonna feel energy. You're gonna jumpstart your metabolism. You have to understand that when your body sleeps for a long period of time, you're consuming water still, right? Your body is like a machine. It's still using it for all the body mechanics that are occurring while you sleep and rest and other reparation. Your body is dehydrated. You want to jumpstart that with a tall glass of water. 5, take a few minutes for deep breathing. Some people like to call it a meditation. Just breathe. And I like to do this in the sauna. I explained this the other day. I've been doing it now for a few months. It's game changing. So after the gym, I hop in the sauna. You don't need a sauna if you don't have one in your gym. But I hop in the sauna and I stay there for about anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how my workout went. And I'll just breathe. And it's simple. You do 4 counts in, 4 counts out. That means you're going to breathe in for about 4 seconds. You're going to breathe out for about 4 seconds. The sauna makes it extremely difficult to breathe because the air's so thin and hot, but that's what makes it better. You're really focusing just on the breathing and nothing else. It's a great way to just kind of declutter your mind and get started. This takes me to number 6. You're going to work out. In the morning, when you don't want to do it, you're going to work out. Look, as you build discipline, you can choose what time of the day you want to work out depending on your schedule. But for the most part, when you're young, when you're just starting, I want you to build the discipline that as soon as you work out, remember, right? It's your mind versus your heart. Your heart is telling you, don't be a pussy. Your mind's telling you, yo, stay in bed. You don't need to do all this stress. You got to win against the mind. And that ultimately brings me to number 7. Right before you step out of the house, plan out your day. A quick to-do list, it could be anywhere from 3 to 5 bullet points. What do you need to get done today, right? What homework do you have to complete? What project do you have to turn in? If you have your own business, what tasks do you need to complete for your business, or if you want to start one? The point is, make a to-do list and make sure you do not go back to bed by the end of the day without completing that list.